My brothers and sisters, as I reflect on today's sacred readings, forgiveness and healing, I confess my fault to the Lord, and He took away my sins. King David wrote many psalms in which he frequently expressed his regret about the sins he had committed. And he carried a heavy burden of guilt. In constant prayer, with a contrite heart, he professed the deep compassion of God and then found forgiveness and spiritual healing. In our lives, we must likely face similar problems as we seek to calm our conscience and find inner peace with God. Today, the church emphasizes on reconciliation. Reconciliation is more than confessing. We don't only confess, but we are to regret our sins, be sorry for what we have done. In the reading, here we see Jesus said, if we confess our sins, He is faithful and just to forgive us our sins and to cleanse us from all unrighteousness. Here we see Jesus telling us that we must confess our sins and we would be on our way to a pure, humble, and contrite heart. Brothers and sisters, God bless.